Hello, today we'll make green chili fried rice. To make this dish, we need the following ingredients. Cooked rice, garlic, 100 grams of green chili, spring onions, sausages and canned fish, fish sauce, salt, sugar, seasoning powder. Use green chili pepper as big as the tip of a chopstick. Only when using this type of chili can the unique aroma be obtained. Cut the sausages diagonally like on video. Use toothpicks to make it more beautiful. First, put a little oil in a frying pan. Fry the sausages. Wash green peppers. Bring 1/2 of chili to the mortar with 1 teaspoon of salt, powdered. 1/2 of the remaining chili, chopped. Peel garlic and minced. Put canned fish in and stir fry with onions. Season to taste. Put garlic in a pan and fry until fragrant. Add some adhesive to make the rice more eye-catching. Then put the rice into the pan. Note that if cold rice is not available, use cooked rice to cool and beat. If you don't have sticky rice, you can add little oil when beating the rice to make the rice grains separate. Continue to add green chili salt and stir continuously to try. Pay attention to the balance of seasoning because when using salt it has certain salinity. Avoid overhandling that affects the taste of the dish. Continuously stir by hand until each grain of rice is dry, has a characteristic aroma of green chili pepper, and the ingredients are mixed and can be served on a plate. Prepare some vegetable salad with mayonnaise to serve. Green chili salt fried rice is a very popular dish in Nha Trang. The dish is very simple, only fried rice and chili salt. In some places, people add burnt shrimp. Here we have another version with other side dishes.